Hey guys, welcome to our instrument tips. Today I want to bring you this new APK that just got a new update. Um, I've been testing it for a while, for a few days, and it's working really good. Sorry, it's just late at night. I just want to bring you this new update. So it's called Morpheus TV. It's a clone of Morpheus. So and it just got the new update. Is just the 1.70. So you guys see it there in the right hand corner in the bottom. So it's 1.70. So if you guys use Morpheus, it's pretty much the same, right? But was taken from a different developer and it's working really good. So we're going to trendings, and as you can see, everything loads really fast. Let's pick a movie. Just select the movie there, and we're gonna scrape. And if you guys don't know what is what was Morpheus or Morpheus, so pretty much it's like a if you never use Cody, it's like a Exodus kind of so like a fork kind of thing. This just give you movies and TV shows content. So here you got in the top your 1080p's, you HD, and scraping it really fast. You have already 220 1080p and 3 HD. Let's just select this one here. The green ones are that give you the best links here. So we're gonna select that one here, and we see we have two here. They're 545 miles from here. So those sources that are green, they're the ones that you wanna be selecting, and this one is pulling from Go Movies. So let's select that one. See here in the top, I was doing the pre-buffering, and you guys can see it. Sorry. See if I jump right in the middle. I'm just gonna play. Press play. So if you come with subtitles, you guys can from my phone here, you go down there and just select this one here, and just uncheck this box, and we'll be gone. Okay, so it's really good, nice. Okay, so you guys have trending, you guys more popular, and you guys use search. TV shows the same thing. Yeah, your favors, you have trending, most popular, search as well. So let's go back. Here you get into your settings. You can change the settings. You can do autoplay. You can select your providers from here, select your sources, and from here as well you can check if you don't want this the subtitles. You guys just have to uncheck this one here and uncheck the language from this one here. Just disable this one here and disable this one here, and just select OK, and that should take care of the subtitles for you guys. Okay, so how you get it? So this goes to my store. Let's go to my store here. Where are you? I'm gonna go here. So we gotta enter this code here, which is 421008788, and then you gotta select continue. Now we gotta enter the pin, which is 0411, and we're gonna select continue, guys, and here you got it. It's right in the top. We're gonna select the arrow, and you guys can see it's going just flying to the other corner, and we're gonna select dismiss here, and we're gonna select install and install. And in a few seconds here, you guys are gonna have it. This APK is running really good, guys. So this one is pretty good. Okay, guys, so we're gonna select yes, and we're gonna go ahead back to back, and if you guys here, it's right here in the top. You guys open it, and you guys here have it. Okay, guys, so if you guys like the video, just guys subscribe, like, and share. Thank you to the ones that already subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one.